Yeah, hi guys, this is SukhpreetSaluja, brother of SukhpreetSaluja, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of Boogie board notepad for my brother's channel. I ordered this from Amazon and the seller was ibhejo.com, who had directly delivered me from the America. It cost something around 9,100 rupees on their website. So let's go do the unboxing. So I'm going to do the unboxing. Here I'm going to cut it out directly from the middle. Yeah.
Subscribe to SukhpreetSaluja.
So let's check it out what they have got me delivered. So I will later on give you the review on it, and it will be posted on my brother's channel, SukhpreetSaluja. So here is it. Wow, it looks so elegant. It's so cool. So let me get out this bubble wrap. Wow, it looks pretty. It's so cool, man. It's a liquid clister paper. So a writing tool to plan, sketch and design just like paper. Write naturally, erase like pencil, capture and archive. This is too cool, man. So I'm going to open it from here. What did it write something around? It has got few templates in it. And which give me a moment. So this is whiteboard. Give me a moment, guys. Yeah, let me put it aside. And so here it is. It is a whiteboard. It got here it is Boogie board, and it have got few templates in it, so we can check it out. It has got a one solid black template, and it also have got few, this is lining template.
Subscribe to SukhpreetSaluja.
Facing some technical difficulties, I will get back to you on this. So guys, this is how this Boogie board looks like, and we can take the notes. We have got a stylus in it, which is a magnetic, like it can also attach magnetically with it. So we have got four templates. One is this dotted one, another is this black one, and we got one is lining and for task noting, like we can use it for multitasking notes, right? So here is how we can use it. I am going to show you. So here we can make them or notes like the SukhpreetSaluja. So I am writing that subscribe to channel of SukhpreetSaluja. Subscribe to YouTube channel of SukhpreetSaluja. So you can check it out. Here we have took the notes, and we can also erase it, like when we have took the notes, we can also take the picture of it and store it. So if you want to delete and do the next so if you want to do the delete the notes and we want to take a new note or do, then we have to erase through this single round button, this. Yeah, and it is clear. Now we can take multiple extra notes. So this have got this comes up with a little battery which can take up to this is also known as cell battery. This will handle this for at least 5 years, which they guarantee. The Boogie board guarantees it. And for more information on this Boogie board, you can visit their website boogieboard.com. Thank you.